I'm Mireia, I'm from Spain, and today is my first day going to Rock Falls here in Siargao. And I'm so ready, so let's go!
Are you ready?
I am!
So itong kasama natin guys, Filipino.
Yes.
And where are you from, bro?
Ako, taga Bacolod ako. Bacolod City represent.
Bacolod City. And Spain. First time nila guys. Yung kasama natin. Ate, ito the vlog. Si ate is first time. Yung kuya first time. They're from Switzerland. Motor lang kami right now guys. Yung view natin. What a nice view. So, gasolina muna kami guys para safety. Yes. Thank you po. Tama natin, gasoline. Full. Bye. Good body ah. Wow. Guys, are you ready? Yay! Ate, ready? It's busy guys. So this is Coconut View guys. Ate, what do you think?
Beautiful. Maganda.
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 See that? Kuya, welcome to Coconut View.
Amazing.
Amazing, ha? Human drone.
Hi.
Ang talaya, ang talaya.
Oh, sopa with.
Sopa. Te, dapat din. Masarap, te.
It's sweet or not?
But,
Try.
try.
The ice candy. Oh, it's nice.
No, I know it. I don't like it.
Allergic. It's coconut inside. Nasarapan si Apam guys. What do you like? What do you think?
It's good.
Yeah.
I don't know what
Very
it is.
sweet, amo.
Inside mango, coconut.
Lami kayo.
Maui.
Maui. I'm the holder of Maui.
So, tumigil muna kami guys sa isang mga magandang spot dito sa Siargao. See the view. And papunta kami sa Rock Falls right now. But kaso, tumigil muna kami. So, it's really good spots there. Kuya! Yung mga bisita natin, mahilig sila sa aso. See that? Yeah, sobrang ganda dito guys pag high tide. Si Senorita. Spanish girl. So we are guys in Rock Falls. Magpupupungko. Are you ready?
Yay!
Yay! So guys, welcome to Rock Falls. Sobrang curious sila. Welcome to Siargao, Philippines. Yes. Sobrang perfect namin guys kasi low tide. So dito guys sa Rock Falls hindi ka makakapunta kapag high tide. So dapat talaga mag-gas ka sa local or tignan mo yung beach if low tide para makapunta ka dito sa tinatawag na Rock Falls, one of the famous tourist spot here in Siargao Island. See that? You can also surf there. Sobrang ganda ng view guys. Yung mga visitor natin, oh. Wow! Iba-ibang lahi. Ito si Maui. Maui! Maui! Yes. Ganda ng tubig ito. Look at that place, bruh. Very clear. Yes! So, welcome to Rock Falls. Also, you can jump there though. Jump there. Slowly.
Like him. Where's that?
Yeah.
Oh my god, we found Maui.
Jump na.
Let's go.
Yeah. Wow.
This is so good.
Ha? So what do you think about Rock Falls?
This is amazing.
Amazing.
I'm not leaving this place.
At tuna mo diri sa Rock Fall, guys. Lamig kayo. Ooh.
The water is so clear guys. Look at that. There's a lot of people right now. So guys, if nakikita nyo, sobrang ganda ng tubig. It's so clear here. Look at the water, bro. Yung kasama natin in Spanish. So itong kasama natin guys, tatalon. Lakas talaga guys. Take care bro, take care. Take care ah. Oh! Oh my wow. What a life. Hello. How's your feeling, sir?
Amazing.
Amazing.
Amazing Philippines.
So kung nakikita nyo guys, dito sa Rock Falls, talagang maganda talaga siya. Yung water, lalo na pag konti lang yung tao dito, talagang napakalinis. And pa-high tide na. See that, there's a lot of tourists. Yung mga turista dito. Lalo na to, taga Spain. See that? Living the dream life, eh? Grabe yung photographer natin, guys, oh. Si ate, oh, ramdam na ramdam yung Siargao ba?
Okay.
Wow! Wow! Siargao course. So, picture mo na kami dito, guys. So may butas dito. See that? So, pwede ka picture dyan pag pupunta ka dito sa Rock Falls. So, see that? Wow. Okay. Sobrang... Ate, pwede pa interview? Just speak lang. Ano masabi mo sa Rock Falls, ate? What do you think about Rock Falls?
Ikaw na lang.
Sino ba talaga?
Siya ko.
Ikaw na lang. Just one word. Just one word ba? Yung one word. Ano masabi mo? Ate, one word. Ano masabi mo sa Rock Falls?
Amazing.
Ay, di naka-record. Puta yun.
Kuya naman.
So guys, tapos na kami guys. So, nag-order kami ng food. Yung food namin is kaming palang pansit and fish. Bangus pa to. Kakuya. Spanish girl, pansit. Okay, pansit for long life. That's a motto here. Yes. Pansit for long life. Wow, sisi.
Look at those.
Guys, nasarapan siya guys. Masarap na yung Filipino food guys. Like it?
Yes. I like it.
So guys, tapos na kami guys. Kumain. Busog kami lahat. So ito, rice. Natira natin kasi rice is life. Senyorita. Senyorita, did you enjoy?
Yes.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for what?
Watching.
Thank you for watching.
And subscribe. Say subscribe. Yeah.